What happens to your body if you eat 3 eggs daily? And by the end of this video, you will know exactly how many eggs you need every day as you age. So stay with me until the end, because this may change how you look at muscle loss, strength, and aging forever. If you are over 60, one of the biggest silent changes happening in your body is muscle loss. It does not happen overnight. It happens slowly, quietly, year after year. You may notice it when standing up feels harder, when your legs feel weaker, when carrying groceries feels heavier than it used to, or when your balance is not as steady. This process is called age-related muscle loss, and nutrition plays a massive role in how fast or how slow it progresses. This is where eggs come in. Eggs are one of the most complete foods nature has ever created. When you eat an egg, you are not just eating protein. You are giving your body a full package of nutrients that work together to support muscle repair, muscle activation, and muscle preservation. One large egg contains about 6 to 7 grams of high-quality protein, but what matters even more is the quality of that protein. Egg protein is considered a gold standard because it contains all 9 essential amino acids in the exact proportions your muscles need to rebuild themselves. As we age, our muscles become less responsive to protein. This means that eating a small amount of protein no longer stimulates muscle growth the way it did when you were younger. This is known as anabolic resistance. Seniors need more high-quality protein per meal to trigger muscle repair. Eggs are especially powerful here because they are rich in leucine, an amino acid that acts like an ignition key for muscle building. Leucine tells your muscles it is time to wake up, repair, and grow. When you eat 3 eggs a day, you are giving your body roughly 18 to 21 grams of highly bioavailable protein in one simple food. This amount can significantly stimulate muscle protein synthesis, especially if eaten earlier in the day or after light activity like walking or resistance movements. Over time, this can help slow muscle loss, improve strength, and even help restore muscle that has been inactive for years. But eggs do much more than just provide protein. Egg yolks are rich in vitamin D, which plays a critical role in muscle strength and balance. Low vitamin D levels are strongly linked to muscle weakness, falls, and poor mobility in seniors. By eating whole eggs, not just egg whites, you support muscle contraction, nerve signaling, and overall muscle coordination. Eggs are also a powerful source of choline, a nutrient many seniors are deficient in. Choline is essential for communication between nerves and muscles. Without proper nerve signaling, muscles cannot activate efficiently, no matter how much protein you eat. This is one of the reasons some seniors exercise but still feel weak. Eggs help restore that nerve-to-muscle connection. Another often overlooked benefit of eating eggs daily is their role in reducing inflammation. Chronic low-grade inflammation is one of the main reasons muscles break down faster with age. Eggs contain antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which help reduce oxidative stress in muscle tissue. Less inflammation means better recovery, less soreness, and more consistent muscle function. Now let's talk about muscle building specifically for seniors. Muscle building after 60 is not about lifting heavy weights or extreme workouts. It is about sending consistent signals to your muscles that they are still needed. Nutrition is one of the strongest signals. When you eat 3 eggs daily, especially combined with simple movements like chair stands walking, or resistance bands, you create the perfect environment for muscle maintenance. Eggs also support hormone balance, which is critical for muscle preservation. Cholesterol in eggs is not the enemy it was once thought to be. In fact, cholesterol is a building block for hormones like testosterone and estrogen, both of which play roles in maintaining muscle mass and bone strength as you age. Extremely low cholesterol diets can sometimes worsen muscle weakness in seniors. Many seniors worry about eating eggs every day because of heart health. Modern research shows that for most people, especially older adults, dietary cholesterol from eggs has minimal impact on blood cholesterol levels. What matters far more is inflammation, insulin resistance, and muscle loss. Stronger muscles improve blood sugar control, circulation, and metabolic health, which directly support heart health. Eating 3 eggs daily can also help with weight management. Muscle is metabolically active tissue. The more muscle you preserve, the more calories your body burns at rest. Eggs are highly satiating, meaning they keep you full longer and reduce unnecessary snacking. This helps seniors maintain a healthier weight without restrictive diets. There is also an important mental aspect to muscle health. Muscle strength is strongly connected to confidence, independence, and quality of life. Seniors who maintain muscle mass are more likely to stay independent, avoid falls, and recover faster from illness or surgery. Eggs contribute to brain health through choline and B vitamins, supporting coordination and motivation to stay active. Now the big question is, how many eggs do you actually need as you age? For many seniors, 2 to 3 eggs per day is a powerful and safe amount, especially if you are not getting much protein from other sources. If you are very active or doing resistance exercises, 3 eggs can be ideal. If you are smaller or less active, 2 eggs may still provide significant benefits. Timing also matters. Eating eggs in the morning or at lunch can be more effective for muscle building than eating them late at night. This is because your muscles respond better to protein earlier in the day. Pairing eggs with vegetables, healthy fats, or whole foods further enhances nutrient absorption. It is important to listen to your body. If eggs make you feel energized, stronger, and more satisfied, that is a good sign. If you have specific medical conditions, moderation and balance are key. But for the vast majority of seniors, eggs are one of the most efficient, affordable, and muscle-friendly foods available. So when you eat 3 eggs every day, you are not just eating breakfast. You are feeding your muscles the signals they need to stay alive, active, and strong. You are supporting nerve function, reducing inflammation, improving balance, and protecting your independence. Aging does not mean losing strength. With the right nutrition, muscles can be maintained, reactivated, and even rebuilt. Now you know what happens to your body when you eat 3 eggs daily, and more importantly, you know how many eggs your body truly needs as you age. Your muscles are listening every day. What you choose to eat is the message you send them.